Welcome to Mac and PC Prime video. Today I am showing. I had the same issue and I was able to solve it. I would leave the steps I follow to fix. Step 1. Before you start, please click Uninstall on the installation screen for the old version of Creative. Step 2. After the installation is done, go to Library. Then click Application Support. Then click Adobe and locate the folder. Name caps and delete it or send it to trash. Step 3. Install Creative Cloud 5. Step 4. Just try to install the Adobe application you were trying to install before and it should work 100% with no issue. Video helps you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see future video like this, hit that subscribe button. Today I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you next time. Bye.